Hey guys, I'm Samikra Sajjana and today I'm going to be unboxing the new iPhone 12 Pro. This one is the iPhone 12 Pacific Blue, and today we're going to be unboxing it. My God, so this is the one without the clear wrap. Let's open it now. Guys, look! This has 3 cameras just like the iPhone 11, but it's a little more clear, it's a little more good quality. Then over here, the sides are like flat, and then they're like kind of clear, and they're like metallic. It's so nice. They're so shiny. It's so good. Okay, let's open this part. This is so nice. This is Pacific Blue, and this is the charging cable to charge your iPhone 12. And then it comes with these instructions, the sticker. There's an Apple sticker in here. I will show you an Apple stickers, and then yeah, and there's some other manual stuff if you're having trouble with your iPhone 12. So these are the 3 cameras, and the cameras are telescope, portrait, and wide angle. So yeah, this is a really cool phone. It's really good quality, and it's a tiny bit bigger than the iPhone 10, and I think it's the same size as the iPhone 11. We got the Pro, not the Pro Max, so it's smaller than the Pro Max. And we have, as usual, the front camera right here. This is so nice. Wow. Yeah. So, whatever color you have, it will come on the box. And if you want to choose a wallpaper on your phone, whatever color you have, you can pick. And I'm so excited to use this. Have fun with your new phone, and it's really good quality. Bye.